Good morning, children. Last class I had given assignment. Now take your assignment and check out the answers. In the previous class, we had learnt of adverbs and its usage. Now let's take a quick recap. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Lots of adverbs end with ly. They tell us how, when, where the action takes place. We take the verb and ask the questions how, when, where. If we get an answer, it is the adverb. Today we are going to learn types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency and adverbs of degree. First let us see adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell us how or in what manner something was carried out. They mostly modify verbs and can often be found at the end of a clause. They answer the question how. Let's see some examples. Beautifully, loudly, happily, hard, neatly, quickly. These are adverbs of manners. And here are some example sentences. First example, Nanda works hard. How does he work? He works hard. So we got the answer for the question how. So the adverb in the sentence is hard. Next example, the Indian soldiers fought bravely. Bravely answers the question how. How did the Indian soldiers fight? Bravely. Hence, we got the answer for the question how. So, bravely is the adverb of manner in the sentence. Adverbs of manner are often formed by adding ly to the adjective. Next one, adverbs of time. Adverbs of time describe when the action took place. Adverbs of time mainly modify verbs. They can answer the question when. Yesterday, now, last week. These are all adverbs of time. Let's see some example sentences. First example, he came yesterday. In this sentence, when did he come? He came yesterday. Here we got the answer for the question when. So the adverb of time is yesterday. One more example. The train came just now. When did the train come? Now. We again got the answer for the question when. So now is the adverb of time in the sentence. Next one, adverbs of place. Adverbs of place describe where the action takes place. They answer the question where. Here, everywhere, outside. These are all adverbs of place. Let's see some example sentences. First example, Arun lives in Madurai. Where does Arun live? Madurai. Here we got the answer for the question where. So Madurai is the adverb of place in this sentence. Next example, the children are waiting outside. Here outside answer the question where are the children waiting? Outside. So outside is the adverb of place in this sentence. Next one, adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency describe how many times the action takes place. Example, we meet often. In this sentence, often answer the question how many times we meet. So often is considered to be adverb in this sentence. Next example, he never tells lies. Here, never answer the question how many times he lies. Therefore, never is the adverb of frequency in the sentence. Next example, he gets the first rank always. Here, how many times he get first mark? Always. We got the answer for the question how many. So, always is the adverb of frequency in the sentence. Often, never, always, and so on are adverbs of frequency. Next one, adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree describes how much or to what extent a thing is done. Adverbs of degree answer the question how much. Examples of adverbs of degree: very, rather, to, never. Let us see some examples. First example, he was very tired. Very answer the question how much was he tired. So, in this sentence, very is the adverb of degree. Next example, they walk rather slowly. In this sentence, how much slowly do they walk? Rather slowly. Hence, we got the answer for the question how much. Rather is the adverb of degree in this sentence. One more example, he talks too fast. How much fast does he talk? Too fast. So, too answers the question how much. Therefore, too is the adverb of degree in the sentence. Okay children, now let's go through what we learned in this class. At first, we discussed about adverb and its types. Okay, what are the types? Yes, good. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, and adverbs of degree. Now let's recall the definition. First one, adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner answer the question how. Next, adverbs of time answer the question when. Adverbs of place answer the question where. Adverbs of frequency answer the question how many. Adverbs of degree answer the question how much. Okay children, from this class you have learnt about adverbs and its types. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.